Good morning, everyone. We'll start with today's global update. So, US stock index futures steadied in evening deals on Sunday as market digests Trump attack. Russia accuses Biden administration for creating atmosphere for attack on Trump. China's GDP disappoints at 4.7% as against an expectation of 5.1% in Q2, as weak consumption largely offset a fledgling recovery in manufacturing activity and industrial production. Gold prices edge lower as dollar forms after Trump attack. Oil prices were muted in Asian trade on Monday as the dollar formed in the aftermath of an assassination attempt of former US President Donald Trump, while underwhelming growth data from China presented a weak outlook for demand. China blasts US Tibet China dispute bill, vows to defend its interest. Taiwan on alert over waves of missile test in North China. So these are about the global update. And now let's look at the Indian market update. All the major indices closed positive in the previous trading session last Friday. Nifty closed at 186.20 points, 0.77% up. So for today, the resistance is at 24,623, followed by 24,731. And on the downside, support is at 24,400, followed by 24,300. So let's quickly look at the option chain data for Nifty. Right now, the support is still at 24,000, but significant support is being built on 24,400. So it will be hard to defend 24,400 for today, looks like. Right now, it is trading at 24,500. But interestingly, looks like the market still wants to go up. And now the resistance is shifted at 25,000, and some resistance is being shifted at 24,900 also. So probably if no further negative news coming in the going forward, we can expect Nifty to touch 24,900 or 25,000 level as well. So that is the kind of expectation the data is showing. If we look at Bank Nifty closed at 8.25 points negative. It was quite flat the previous trading session. So for Bank Nifty, the next level of resistance is at 52,800 level, followed by 53,200. On the downside, we can expect a support at 51,800, followed by 51,500 level. Option chain data for Bank Nifty. Support is still at 52,000 level, and we can see an intermittent resistance at 52,500. But the resistance is still at 53,000 level, but an intermittent resistance is being built at 52,700. So range is still between 52,000 to 53,000 range, but market may hover between 53,200 to 52,700. So it may remain flat also. That is the kind of expectation the data is giving. Looking at mid-cap index also closed quite flat, closed positive of 25.55 points. So for mid-cap Nifty, the next level of resistance is at 57,400, followed by 57,600 or 700 level. On the downside, we can expect 56,953 or 57,000 level, followed by 56,700 level. So previous trading session, we have seen some profit booking towards the end of the trading session. So let's see whether we can see some more profit booking today, or it goes up further towards the upside. Looking at small cap index also saw slight profit booking in the previous trading session and closed quite flat at 29.40 point positive. So for today, the resistance is at on 19,118 level, followed by 19,200. On the support side, we can expect a support at 18,800 level, followed by 18,820, or round figure 18,800 level. So these are the major levels for the indices. Now let's look at the sectoral rotation. So sectoral rotation, shipbuilding and aviation continues to be on the top performer sectors, performing outperforming sectors. That's this other sectors where we are seeing some opportunities are consumer durables. Crude oil is something to watch out for. So probably in next few weeks we can see a good rally in crude oil. IT continues to be very bullish, and I think we had already given a call on IT, and people who are already invested can continue to hold, as we are expecting some good bull momentum in information technology sector. Construction material is another good sector. FMCG goods, retail, mining, infrastructure, agriculture also continues to be a good sector. Capital goods, chemicals, telecom, industrial gases and fuels, healthcare, automobile ancillaries. This is also a good sector. Finance, media, entertainment, plastic products, electrical, paper, pretty much a lot of sectors. Even paper is also coming up nicely. So it's setting up nicely after setting a good base. So this is a good sector to watch out for. Now let us look at the deliveries. So ratings, media and entertainment has seen positive delivery. Of course, IT continues to be a good one. So that is also seen good delivery of 2.2x. Aviation is something seeing very good positive delivery. Retail is another sector which is continuing to be seeing good delivery. The finance and crude oil is the two sectors which are seeing good positive delivery. So people looking at short-term opportunities can focus on these sectors. Let's look at the basket recommendation for current week. So this week we have recommended best FMCG stock basket, expected returns 10%, and best pharma stock basket, expected return 10%. Now let's quickly review the performance of the previous week's call. So large cap has done 2%, 2.01%. Auto is at 0.28%. Private bank has slightly recovered at minus one, trading at minus 1.20%.